Good morning, R.S. Rajan sir.
Good morning, Vijay. Good morning to everybody. Very, very happy and very, very pleased to meet you all, sir. Very, very great. I hope everybody is safe and everybody is well.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
very delighted to meet you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable time being with us. And it's
Uh,
my very great pleasure to introduce you to our team. So let me introduce you to our team members so
okay.
that we can. Dear team members, I like to invite our super upline and our Vestige ambassador, Mr. R.S. Rajan sir, to our Vestige online team. Mr. Rajan, he came from the ordinary family. You can see the photo that the family which Mr. R. Rajan came from from the ordinary family. A single person he joined with the Vestige 10 years back from South India, and with his hard work, with his effort, so he changed many people lifestyle, many people life from the scratch to extraordinary lifestyle. So not only he changed his life, he changed many people. Lakhs and lakhs of people today in South India, they are living their life without stress-free, with financial freedom. So the reason is the great person, Mr. R.S. Rajan. So he is the one make all the people to be successful here. When making other people to success, at the same time, Mr. Rajan, he changed his life from the ordinary lifestyle to extraordinary life. When I say extraordinary life, today Mr. R.S. Rajan is living the life with the luxurious, with all the luxurious lifestyle. He went to more than 25 foreign trips. He purchased through Vestige more than 7 cars, including 2 Mercedes-Benz. Today he is driving a E-Class Mercedes-Benz, which more than 60 lakhs worth of car. And not only that, I always tell our people, Vestiges have everything. When you make other people to be successful, that how the ordinary person to become an extraordinary lifestyle, which is the World Tamil University gave him the honorary doctorate patam from the Tamil University, USA. And not only that, he also received Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Excellency Award for his excellency of making more people to be successful through the network marketing. From the Governor of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Rosaya, and he also received an award, a Kaliulaga Karnan, from Vairamuthu, right? Kalanyar Vairamuthu on behalf of Chennai Muttamil Changam. Not only that, Mr. R.S. Rajan, he also many tough news channels interviewed him about his accomplishment, the success of Mr. R.S. Rajan. So many companies are interviewed him. And Mr. R.S. Rajan is the certified trainer from USA, from Cage Academy, direct from Randy Cage. He is one of the professional certified trainer from USA. Friends, we all are today gifted. The another 1 hour, definitely I can assure you, your life will change from the 360-degree. Please give your full attention to next 1 hours to learn from the network marketing legend, our guru, our super upline, Vestige ambassador, Mr. R.S. Rajan. Sir, I welcome you to our this meeting. It's my pleasure to welcome you to this session. Please give some words to our people. Thank you, sir.
Sure,
Please.
very, very good. Thank you for a
Hello.
great introduction, Vijay. Thank you so much. As I said earlier, I'm very, very delighted to meet these people because it's a very, very long since I have met them. I'm very, very delighted. And to everybody, what I want to say is, as our great Vijay was telling me, that I'm a great person. I'm no great person. I'm a very, very ordinary person. the opportunity, the Vestige opportunity has made me great. The same opportunity is available for you, which will also make you great. Even it can make you even more greater than me. It all depends on how you get involved. That's it. These are the first few words I like to tell to you people. You are into something great. It's a real gift given by God. Uh, I only advise you make use of this opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah. Please, team members, mute your mic, everyone. Please. Rajan sir, you can, sir, you can unmute yourself. You are muted now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, you did hear me what I told just now.
Just few seconds, we are not able to hear you.
No. I told welcome. I told that I'm not
Yeah.
great.
That we heard, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. I don't know how it got muted. Sorry.
Okay. Sir, we have few questions to ask with you.
Yeah.
Yes.
With pleasure. With pleasure. Tell me.
Sir, I heard about you a lot that you are a gold medalist from
Yeah.
AMI in the national level.
Not gold medalist, silver medalist.
Yeah, silver medalist. Okay. And you are working was in the BHL, Bharat Heavy Electrical
Yeah.
Limited, in a
Yeah.
central government job.
Yeah.
And last 25 years back,
Hmm.
how did you choose network marketing? How did you come to network marketing? And how did you choose that you want to do some part-time job to earn part-time income? Because you are in a central government job last 25 years back, which made you to choose a network marketing?
It's very simple. I didn't choose network marketing. First, let me make things clear. I didn't choose network marketing. See, as a young person, yes, a very young person, I had a lot of dreams. I wanted to come up in life. The only thing that we knew was that we'll have to move in the ladder of the career, above. If you have to move above in the ladder, the main thing required is the qualification. See, I was basically a diploma holder. Let me not elaborate those things. Because of the
Okay.
financial situation of the family, I had to go pursue only a diploma. So I was a diploma holder. So a diploma holder is only gifted with a mediocre life. So, but I was dreaming big. So to move up the ladder, there is only one option available, which is taught to us day in and out for what so generations to generation together. That you have to equip yourself with a lot of knowledge, and that knowledge has to be reflected in form of degrees, educational qualification. So, while working in BHL as a supervisor, I studied AMI because at that time, when I joined BHL, the year was around 1978, 1979. During those times, in the entire Tamil Nadu, there were only 13 engineering colleges. So, I didn't have an option. I had only one option that is called as AMIE. If you complete that examination, it was recognized as equivalent to graduate of engineering. So I pursued that when I was working, and if now the young people don't know what is AMIE because a lot of engineering colleges are there. If you can inquire your father or inquire some elders who are like 60, 50 years old, they can tell you what is AMIE. AMIE is one of the difficult thing to pass. But I was very adamant and I was very passionate. So I did my all the two exams, section A, section B, in the same year itself. First 6 months I did section A, second 6 months I did section B. Not only I just cleared, I was, as you said, I became the silver medalist. Then that was the time around 1980, 82 something. That was the time when Indira Gandhi National Open University was commenced. So there I studied my post-graduation management. So I equipped myself with all the degrees and qualifications, and because of that, I started moving up the ladder. So once I was starting moving up the ladder, I was on the top of the world. I was like a king. I thought everything is fine. But when everything was going correct, something happened. That something is my colleague. He was senior to me. He was the person with whom I went and joined BHL. When I joined BHL, I reported to him, and he only taught me how to work, all those things. He only told me. He only initiated me into the BHL working routine. So slowly, what happened? We became family friends. So that person, during 1984, 87, something like that, was diagnosed as blood cancer, and within 5, 7 months, he passed away. And because his wife was just a housewife, and they were living inside the BHL township, and their children were studying in the school inside the township. They had to vacate their quarters for 4 months. Fifth month, the company asked them to vacate. So because they didn't know anybody, I was the person who saw them a house outside BHL township. The house was only just a one room. That's it. That room was the kitchen. That room was the hall. That room was the study room. That was the room of the bedroom. That person was a M.Tech, and he had put on around 15, 16 years of experience. It was a great rude shock for me. It made me one thing clear, that this job is a temporary thing. This income that we are getting is a temporary thing. Everything is well, then all is well. If something goes wrong, everything is gone. So from that day onwards, it struck me that I love to do something. So the next thing that what our elders taught is, in addition, other than job, the other thing is business. So I was at that time in Trichy, so I didn't have enough scope. So I caught hold of big officers there, fell at their feet, did so many things, got myself transferred to Chennai, where I could get an opportunity. So around 80, 87, 88, I got transferred. And once I came to Chennai, I started getting into a lot of part-time ventures, businesses. I started my own ancillary unit. It had good, it did run well. But what happened was the payment was not coming in the time. So payment not coming in time, to run the organization, we have to take loans. First, we will have to take loans from the bank. Then that will not be over. Then we may have to go and take loans in the private bank. Private financial, where the interest is high. The money will be there, but the bills will not, they will not pay the bills in time. So that was a problem, so I left that. Then I started tea distribution. That also, I used to give the tea to the wholesalers. Everything was going on, but the money was not coming. They used to have some dues. And the dues, what happened was, it slowly got multiplying. Then I started having ice cream parlor. That also had a problem. Then I went into cable TV network. The cable TV network, it was good experience. It did give me profit. But what happened was, the cable TV, initially, you have to put a lot of investment. And once you put investment, after some time, the dish TV or things, the entire cost will come down. Within 5 years, another technological development will happen, and we have to adapt to the technological development. Once we have to adapt to the technological development, at that time we have to invest more. This took away. So I said, I thought everything is, this is what is happening. What has happened was, it was around 10 years, from 87 to around 96. I had pledged my mother's jewel, I had pledged my wife's jewel, everything was gone, but my job was safe. Though something dawned in my, God has given me job. Why go bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. That wisdom came to me. Then what happened? I became totally spiritual. So this was how the life went on. And during 1999, there was a magazine which was launched in Chennai. That magazine's name is called Free Ads. That magazine will only contain advertisements only, no news, nothing. Advertisement what? Classified advertisement. Some people selling their TV, their fridge, all those things, all advertisements. Classified advertisement, even displays advertisements. It was only advertisement, no news, nothing. So it was a novel venture. So a person next to my seat had bought it and brought that newspaper and he was going through it. So I just wanted to look into it how it is. So I just got the newspaper from him, just was flipping through the pages. There in one thing part time, there was a small advertisement, no investment, lot of income, foreign trip, awards. So the fire which was now hiding, which was latent inside me, came out. I immediately rang up. They called me that you come for a meeting. I went. Then I went for the meeting. The meeting they told there are some products you can join for 2,900. 1,900. I thought very single and we can earn around few thousands. I didn't knew networking. I didn't knew never knew direct selling. So I just joined. After 1 month or 2 months, I had around 10 15 people. That's it. I was just buying products, giving free things, and slowly telling to people. So at that time, the home office called me. By around one day, they called me around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. They said our national sales manager is in city and his flight is at 8 o'clock. So he is available for training. He is going to take a training between 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock because he has to leave for the flight. So if you are free, you can come and join. So I took a permission from the office. I went to the training. The training program went for 2 hours. After the training program, I and myself and my friend who was an MTech in agricultural engineering, when we came out of the training room, we were discussing. These people are talking something big things, which even they have not taught in college or anywhere. So this should not be a business of 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. There should be something. Because why should they teach all these big things which even no college or nobody teaches? So at that time there was no the internet or YouTube, all those things were not that much developed. It was the year 1999. So still the internet was there. I searched extensively. At that time I came to know this is called as direct selling. This is called as network marketing. This is there in the world for around 40 50 years. And it has made around one third of the billionaires today available in the world. And I was able to see a video. The YouTube was not there. It was some what to say, 20 seconds video. A person who is illiterate, his job was as a dishwasher in a hotel. Now he has done network marketing and he has been great successful. He comes, he stands, he sees his dress color, and he looks at the cars. There are a line of cars like Porsche, Lamborghini, like that. And he goes and drives the car in which his dress matches. Then they show a house of a woman. Her legs are amputated. She is a teacher, but her legs are amputated. She is traveling in a wheelchair. The house and the children are playing. Children are playing where? In their own pool. And this is what we are searching for. So that's how I came to network marketing. I didn't choose network marketing. Network marketing chose me. And the training which changed me was the training did by Mr. Gautam Bali when he was a national sales manager there. I hope I have answered your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So I will go for another question. Sir, nowadays, we have many success stories in Vestige, and we have many people who got success there in Vestige.
Yeah.
So, but when you join last 10 years back, so there is no successful success stories and no many people showing their result also. So when you join as a single person at that time, how did you, because you are working in a BHL earning 1.4 lakhs per month, and how did you believe the Vestige business and how the confident, how did you get a confident on at that time in Vestige? So because now we have all the success story, now we have everything to show to the people,
Yeah.
but without any result or anything, how the confidence came to you on Vestige and Vestige management and how it is to you at that time?
See, Vijay, 1999, I joined Vestige in 2009. So 1999 to 2009, I was in that network marketing company. The company was not good, but my learning was great. I started learning from Gautam Bali sir and his mentor, Mr. Willie Lam, one of the topest earners in the world at that time. He was the executive director of that company. So I started learning from them. Then they left the company by around 2002. Then in 2004, 2005, lot of other things happened with me, with the company, and we were not able to grow. So that was the time I started thinking we are doing things right, then why we are not growing? So I started. The only thing source was the US. So from US I started learning. I even enrolled myself in the Northern Illinois University in US, and I am a certified network marketing professional from that university. So I started learning. I started knowing about how the compensation plans are designed and what his system is. All those things I started learning. That then only I came to know this company was playing with us. They didn't know what is network marketing because they were a brewer. They were successful in other ventures. Because network marketing is another successful venture, they wanted to make money. That's it. So they engaged some brewer cards and they were doing. They didn't know actually what ABCD of network marketing. This I came to know in 2007, 2008, and things got collapsed. So I didn't do anything. I was just active. I was just using the products. So when Siddharth came and showed me, my life was at the lowest ebb because of the so many other things that I did there. I don't want to elaborate and waste your time here.
Yeah.
I had made a lot of expenses, so which made me into a lot of debts. To clear my debts, I had to sell my house. In 2009 January, I sold my house. 2009 May, my wife passed away. June, July, August, our Siddharth is coming and showing me the plan. I told him, sir, you have come at the wrong time. When I saw the plan itself, I was able to see things are all in place. What a network marketing should have is all there in place. I was able to see. But I told him, but you have come at the wrong point. But I am not in a position to decide, and I don't want to decide also. I want to be a contented life. At that time, Siddharth put me to Gautam Bali sir. Because Gautam Bali, I knew him well. He talked with me and he said, I am able to understand your emotions, Rajan. Rajan, you please take time. Take 2 days time, take even 1 month time, take even 2 months time, no problem. Sit calmly and study it analytically. Then decide whether you want to come or not. I wait for you. And Siddharth gave me a pen drive with all calculations, everything, and he went away. So I have a great regard with Gautam Bali. So he had told me to tell me study analytically. So one day, 2 days, 3 days after, one day night, I took the pen drive and started working out in paper. What this structure comes like this, what will be my income? So when I started working like that, the figures that I was able to see in the paper, I was not able to believe because 1/4 of the volume that I was doing in the other company, the income was more or less same. When the volume of what I was doing in the other company, the income was 4 times more, which I was not able to believe. I said, I thought I'm doing something wrong. It cannot be like this. How come? So that night I had a sleepless night. So next day morning I called Siddharth and I asked him, sir, I did the calculation like this. Am I doing correct? He said, yes, this is how it works.
Okay.
So I very well knew that's a great money in this plan. So I was not able to decide, but because of this, what happened was in front of my eyes, my downlines. The downlines were all young people, very very young people. They were doing their college studies. They joined that company, and I what to say, sowed the seeds of dream in their heart, and they had areas anything. Entire life was gone for them. So their things are all coming into my face. If this was the plan, they could have become very successful. And now Siddhartha has come. I have not called Siddharth. Siddharth himself has come. So why I am kicking it? The opportunity is coming my way. This is what I told of them. This thing
Yes.
came to my mind. When this thing came to my mind, from the other side, it was coming. Bloody fool! You will never, what to say? You will never, what to say? Change. You will again go like this. In what more you have to lose, you will change. So one day I was having a trauma. One day I vomited, I fainted. So I decided I have to make one yes or no. So I called my daughter and very close, what to say, associate of my wife, more or less like a brother for my wife. I hope you know Saikana. So I
Yes.
called them into the room and told those people, tell me yes or no, what to do. My daughter told, I will do the business. I was contemplating to take the business in her name. She told, I will do the business. And Sarikana told, there is nothing to lose, sir. Why don't we do it? We'll see whether it is correct as we think. If it is correct, we'll go. If it is not correct, let us come out and let us not do the same mistakes.
Okay.
So I very well knew there is a great, even though there were no testimonials, I was very confident because I put it in paper. As today, even in the Atmanirbhar plan, I was able to tell you in 8 months you can earn 1.5 crores.
Yeah.
That is it, Vijay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, I have one more question. See, if you see in network marketing, many people are joining.
Yeah.
Many people are joining, but not everybody successful.
Yeah.
Only few people are getting great success.
Yeah.
So, what is the basic quality required to get a success in network marketing?
It is simple. It is simple, very simple.
Yeah.
Perseverance. Very important perseverance.
Mm.
That is the most important thing that is required.
Mm.
And let me take some time and explain also.
Yes.
You see, if you see anybody, their father, mother has worked, their grandpa, grandma has worked, their great grandpa, grandma has worked. All of them are not only worked, they have toiled hard,
Mm.
but the result is not there.
Mm.
Now we are able to see that yes, there is some result here. Somebody has succeeded. Not somebody. If you see Vestige, most of them are successful. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir. More
Correct.
people are
So it
successful.
is there. It is there.
Yeah.
The success is there. The
Yes.
problem is, first of all, they should first understand how the money comes.
Mm.
What structure should be there and the money should come.
Yeah.
If the money is not coming, we are not having the structure.
Mm.
Why we are not having the structure? When we go and talk to people, the people are either not joining or people joining or not pursuing the business continuously, consistently.
Mm.
These are the two things. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Correct. So why people are leaving and why people are not joining? Two things. One is people don't have belief in network marketing and people have a negative thought on network marketing. That's why people don't join. People, why do they quit? Because again, they don't know analytically how really money comes. Okay, they saw something, they thought they can make the money very quick. They come for first month, they'll have to spend a lot of money and their amount is only few hundreds. So they get frustrated.
Yes.
They don't come for the training. See, the point is this. To earn a livelihood, we have to study in school and colleges for a minimum 17 years. Then only we can get a salary of around 10,000, 15,000 rupees. If you have to do business, we have to invest crores and crores. Then only you can earn. But here, then nothing. But earning is very huge than that. Then there should be something. then what that something they should be ready to learn? They are not ready to come for training. They are not ready to go and buy books and read. They don't even buy our success plan, which is just 10 pages. This is the reason. And if they have the perseverance, see, first thing is we have one thing in our hand. What is that one thing? The one thing that everybody requires. Nobody in this world will tell, I don't want health. And nobody in this world will tell, I don't want wealth. That is the one thing we have. If somebody has not taken hold of it, that means we have not told them properly, or we have to be patient. My dear friends, please excuse me if I am using this example. Even beggars in the street corners, in the street signals, every car, every thing they go and beg their hand, nobody puts, but still somebody puts. Even for the beggar, the law of average is working. The same law of average will work for us, provided you go on, go on, go on. But point is, they are not ready to go on. That is the real reason for people not succeeding.
So that no consistency effort
Very,
is
very
there.
important. Very, very important. Not only consistency, they should have a passion for
Yes.
learning.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine, sir. Thank you. And,
Yeah.
sir, and one more thing.
Yeah.
Nowadays,
Yeah.
basically, particularly in India, seeing
Yeah.
the success of the network marketing companies,
Hmm.
nowadays many companies, so many new companies are coming to market,
Hmm.
and so many companies today they are starting a new network marketing companies.
Hmm.
So obviously people are getting distraction to choose the company, which company I want to choose, which is the best company to choose, right? So why, when the market, there are a number of companies are nowadays new companies are coming,
Hmm.
so why they want to choose Vestige? Why Vestige?
As of now, see, as of now, according to my experience, I am
Yeah.
experienced in this field for more than 20 and a half years, more than 2 decades.
Mm.
And I have done a lot of learning. When I did a lot of learning, I have studied a lot of companies.
Mm.
So, seeing all those things, there is no company which can come even near Vestige. This is not I'm saying because just I'm an ambassador of this company. I'm telling you the fact. I'm telling you the fact. There are a lot of examples. First example, if we want to be successful, we have to be with a company which is successful. That is, to make it very simple,
Mm.
when we are rowing in the river, when we row along the current, then our effort will be less. If you are going to row against the current, then we have to put a lot of effort. So if a company is having a very great success thing, then if you are also there, then our success is also assured. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Right.
Right, sir.
So if you see, leave network marketing. There are thousands and thousands of companies,
Yes.
but there are millions and millions of companies in the world. Other companies, not only direct selling. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
What Vestige is achieving, no company has achieved. This company is growing from inception. I don't know people are able to understand or are not able to understand. Right from inception, from 2004, this company is growing at an average rate of 79%. Certain years they have grown 150%. If you look in the world, there are millions and millions of companies. Not even a single company has done this feat.
Mm.
What more you need? Next, the company is succeeding.
Yes.
The distributors. Now the company is 16 years old. There are now, the network marketing is in world for more than 120, 130 years.
Yes.
Lot of companies are there. Just to go pursue the history. In 14 years, how many companies had around more than 5,000 car achievers driving their luxury cars like Benz, BMW? In 16 years, no company.
Right.
Correct. Then
Right.
you are from Tamil Nadu, and there are people from Tamil Nadu here, from India.
Yes.
Correct.
Right.
And people who are now listening, they are into Vestige. I think it should be more than 3 years, 4 years, even more than that. Am I right or wrong?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now tell me, is there any chance of anybody to lose 1 rupee in Vestige?
No.
Is there this same thing available in any other company?
No.
This is the most important thing, because this business is a relationship business. You are going to go and talk to your friend. You are going to go and talk to your relative. And when he comes, if he is not going to be successful, it's okay. But if he is going to lose money, then your relationship gets spoiled. But this is a place where no money is lost. So very safe for us. This safety nobody can give. And now, during Corona, this is something rarest of the rare. For last 3 months, from March, April, May, for people, December, January, February, who all have maintained their levels, for those people, even if they have not maintained their level in March, April or May, the company has put their level and paid them crores of rupees. Which company will pay?
Yes, sir.
This is the big foundation for us. This is the launch pad from where we can jump. Am I right or wrong? There are
Right, sir.
still
Yes.
more. I can go see. It is like talking the story of God. No, it can go on for days together. Like that, I can go on talking.
Right.
Lot of things are there.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in this meeting, we have people from different countries all over the India
Okay.
and different countries.
Okay.
So people are joined from Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Ghana, and few more countries.
Okay.
And now,
Okay.
Vestige is going to the global market.
Yeah.
Now we are entering into different countries.
Yeah.
So for the people who's from other country, for them, Vestige is very new.
Yeah.
So this is and because this is the first time they are saying about the Vestige into their country, right? So what is, as a Vestige ambassador, what is your going to give the confident at the same time motivation or the future of the Vestige into their country?
I'm not going to motivate. Motivation
Not motivate, not motivate any message.
Motivate is a false thing, right? I will
Yeah,
not
okay.
motivate. My
No, not
basic thing
okay.
is I will never motivate, because motivating is putting hypes.
Okay.
That I will never do. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to give you the fact and figures.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, Amway, I'm not. I should not talk about another company, and I should not name the company. But at the same time, to make you understand
Yes.
what the company is going to do, we'll have to understand that. That's why I'm making use of that name of that company, Amway. It was a US company. It is there in this world for more than 80, 90 years. It started their operation by around 1940 itself, 1932 itself, and now it is there in India. But in India, they were not able to be. It's a successful company, but they were not able to succeed in India. Why? Because the quality of the product, no questions, but the product cost was very high. It was not affordable for any middle class people. Right or wrong? That was the first stumbling block. Now, this company, Vestige, which has now outbeaten Amway, so it has got this system. What system? Amway doesn't have these are people are having. Okay, all those things are there. That is clear, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Correct. First thing,
Yeah.
go about. We have got everything intact.
Yeah.
Now come
System.
about the products. Come about the products. See, I have traveled to world more than 21 foreign trips, 27 countries.
Mm.
Okay. See, when we go to Europe, when we go to even in Dubai,
Mm.
if we go and buy a water bottle, correct?
Yeah.
It's around 2 dirhams or 3 dirhams.
Mm.
2 or 3 dirhams is around 70 rupees, 80 rupees, 100 rupees. It comes to around 100 rupees. Okay. If you see the product price of spirulina,
Mm.
it is somewhere around 5, 6, 7 dirhams.
Mm.
So very, very affordable.
Yes.
You got my point. Very, very affordable.
Yeah. Mm.
Very, very affordable. If they plan the system, then see how much it can thrash out. So we have to be with Vestige. That's the only thing.
Okay.
It may take little time, but this will rock. And the quality of the products, you know that it has given miraculous results in India.
Mm.
And it is giving miraculous results in Dubai for the last 2 years.
Mm.
So with this miraculous result and the pricing and all the things in place, we are going to be a runaway success.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Sir, and as you are in the network marketing, more than 20 years of experience,
Mm.
and you know the network marketing in India, it is more than 20-25 years, and it faced all the struggles and it faced so many problems, and today it's the renovation. So it is starting. So because you know how it was in the initial stage,
Yeah.
and we are now entering into the digital stage.
Yeah.
And what is your vision and view about the coming years for the future of network marketing in India?
Network marketing is going to rock. Network marketing is going to rock within few months. You can see it within few months
Mm.
because people have started searching.
Mm.
Because everybody, even British Airways, they have brought down their people. Everywhere scaling down is happening. Every business has gone down.
Mm.
Theaters have gone down. Everything.
Mm.
You got my point. So there is no
Yes,
solid security anywhere.
yes, sir.
The only thing available without any risk. No risk. First thing
Mm.
is network marketing.
Mm.
The other thing is there are people to educate you free of cost, giving you everything they know. Even today, if you want to learn, say you want to learn digital marketing, there is an expert. You have to pay fees for him. But
Mm.
once you pay fees, he will not teach entire knowledge.
Yeah.
He will never teach you entire knowledge. But here in network marketing, you don't need to pay fees. You are not paying me any fees, but I am giving entire knowledge of mine,
Mm.
which you will not get anywhere. This once people realize, there is going to be a mad rush. And there are going to be people who are not into network marketing, but talking about network marketing and making money. That will also happen.
Yes.
Got my point?
Got, sir. Got it. Yeah. Sir, it's my last question now.
Yeah.
So actually, more people are joining with the Vestige initially, particularly the youngsters,
Yeah.
because nowadays they want to earn some extra money, or more people are joining with the Vestige
Hmm.
by expecting immediate result.
Okay.
Immediate result. But
Okay.
when they are not getting the result as they expect, so
Hmm.
people are quitting the business.
Hmm.
So what is your advice for the youngsters and the new distributors of our team?
It is simple, Vijay. First and foremost, the responsibility lies with the upline leaders.
Mm.
We should not find fault with people quitting.
Mm.
People are quitting because they are unaware.
Mm.
So the best, first thing, the responsibility of an upline leader is to educate the people.
Mm.
Because anybody who is going to join with you is a great asset for you.
Mm.
Only through him, great money is going to be made.
Mm.
I'm not boosting myself. See, Siddharth came and picked me.
Yeah.
See, from every month from today, from every month now, around 10 crores going. I don't say I'm the only person, but this one person was instrumental in that.
Right.
So we don't know who is that person. So we'll have to take care of everybody. Only when you take care of everybody in the correct way and you should give correct advice. And for that, you should learn. You should come for trainings. This is the most the reason because people are quitting is because the leaders are irresponsible.
Mm.
They don't educate themselves. First of all, they don't have the belief. They are not consistent. See, everybody should have a introspection. Am I doing things correctly? Am I showing plan every day? Am I attending many trainings? Am I learning any new one thing every day? How many trainings have gone? How many trainings I have attended? Did I invite my downlines for the meeting? And if I invited, if they are not come, what the next step I did to persuade them? Did I went and talked with my upline to say, today you have come to me and today you have asked me to come and talk in this meeting. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Why you want to do it? Because you want to educate your people. You want to
Yes.
give your people still more a great knowledge.
Yeah.
Correct?
Right.
This person should introspect. Have I did that? Have I gone and approached him? Have I gone and got him to my people? If people introspect and start doing things, then these type of things will never go. See, I used to always say the word beauty. The most important thing is the beauty word is the you, where unhappy happens.
Yeah.
Everybody, including me, including Siddharth, or including the topest earner in the world, Dexter, even him. When he has started the network marketing, everybody should have had some unhappiness somewhere here or there. But those unhappiness were resolved, were made into understanding. You, same you, unhappy, understanding. If somebody has left, he has left because he is unhappy. And we have not resolved that unhappiness into understanding. That is the reason. Got my point, Vijay?
Got it, sir. I got it.
So very, very important. Once a person comes in, we'll have to put him into VIP. We have even after doing that, if that goes, then it's okay, God. But if you go and see, if you put a diary, say for example, X has joined and he has left, you should first say whether I have made him to buy the wealth kit. Have I made him to sit VIP? Have I made him to sit in the Tuesday training? Have I made him to come to CND meeting? Have I made him to come to meet the millionaire? Have I made him to come for the awards function?
Okay.
If you put tick, 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 then he goes, no problem with you. But most of the cases, we would have not done all these things. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
That is the reason.
Right. Thank you, sir. Sir, and a few of our leaders, they want
Yeah.
to communicate with you. They want to
Please, sir, please. No problem with me. No problem.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, sir. The leaders, you can speak with Mr. R.S. Rajan, sir, one by one.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm Amish Srivastava from Westage Jabalpur. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, I would like to thank you, sir, because today is Guru Purnima. And on this auspicious day, you are with us, our guru, our mentor, our trainers with us, and you given
Thank you
even
so much.
lots of valuable information to us. Okay, sir, thank you very much, and definitely we are very thankful to Vijay also for conducting this live training. Okay, sir, I would like to ask, sir, what's the prospect of Prestige for Nepal especially? Okay,
What is the prospect of?
Nepal.
I'm
So
not
can
able to answer the question properly. Prospect of?
pardon?
I'm not able to hear your question properly.
I would like to ask, what is the prospect of Vestige in Nepal? Because some of the in Nepal and they are asking about how the company is going in the Nepal.
You see, somebody has to mute the audio. A lot of disturbance is going on.
Yeah. I will mute, sir. I am muting other people.
See, sir, when Nepal we started in the year somewhere 2010 or something. The business was going beautiful, but all of a sudden there's something happened because of the multi-level marketing, lot of scams. So the entire government banned the entire network marketing, whether it is product based or whatever it is. No network marketing, no multi-level marketing. So we had to close down our operations. Then in the year, somewhere in the year 2015, I suppose, again we got permission to do not network marketing, not multi-level marketing, but to do it on a retail basis. People can come, buy products and sell products. Through that, they can earn income. That was what from 2016 or 17, I think it started there. The government did not give permission for a multi-level marketing. That's where you should not do meeting or anything. You can go join, buy products, you can sell products, and your people can sell products. That should be the mode of operating. Now, I think 2 3 months back, the government has also given us now the permission to do the multi-level marketing. So, company has in June they have started online joining in Nepal. So, I hope I have cleared your question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Papi, are you online? Any leaders, or we can? Right.
Yes, Vijay, I'm online.
Yeah.
First of all, I would like to thank R.S. Rajan sir for giving us his valuable time
Thank you,
to
sir.
educate and
It's my duty. It's my duty.
yes, we are following your guidelines as well as the Vestige ethics so that all our team members are educated in the right way and the right way of network marketing.
Yeah.
Well, from the question point of view, I do not have any questions because I believe most of the questions were being asked by Vijay itself.
Okay.
Right. So, on an average, I would, go ahead and pay my respect to you on today's occasion of Guru Purnima. So
Thank
you are a guru, right? And I expect everyone and I request everyone to follow the right path and the right way, that is the Vestige way.
Yeah. Great, sir. Great. Very great. I'm with you. Great.
Thank you, sir.
Great thinking.
Okay.
Other members, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Okay. So once again, thank you, Rajan sir, for
Thank you, sir. Thank
being
you.
with us and giving your valuable time for all us.
Okay.
And thank
Sir,
you.
it's my duty. You can call me anytime.
Sir, on this,
You have to just fix an appointment. That's it. Always there.
thank you, Rajan sir and Vijay sir. Very thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Sir.
so much, Vijay. Thank you for arranging this so that I could have meet all those people. I'm really delighted for meeting, and I thank God, and I wish and I pray God that we should bestow all His blessings on you to become great millionaires and lead a great life. You should all have most and more in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's a very great pleasure for all of us to be with you today. The good day for Guru. So in Guru Purnima,
Yeah.
Really, I am very glad to meet you today in this meeting. So once again, thank you, sir, for your
Thank you so
input.
much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for bestowing me with all these things. Thank you so much. I'm really gifted.
Thank you, Rajan sir. Thank you, Vijay.
Having so
Be
much
safe.
great.
Stay
Yeah.
in home. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Shall I leave? Shall I leave?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. All the best. God bless you. And let God bless you most and more. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. I'm ending the meeting now. I'm closing. Thank you
Thank
all.
you, Vijay. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you for conducting this training.